Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be installing a normal oh, nearly died. Okay, today we're going to be installing a normal SSD into this just a normal 2.5-inch SSD into this case. There's one slot here you can use, there's one on the back you can use. Let's see, actually I've not seen the back one. He's on the back somewhere. Right, yeah, if you haven't watched the last video, I installed the motherboard. Very nice, very nice. Okay, oh, there's the cooler thing. Alright, oh, there's the SSD slot here, right there. So I don't know, should I stick one on the back for now? Because then putting the other one in afterwards easier. Where would I route the wires though? Yeah, I think back would be the best option actually. Yeah, because then, well, that's the easy access one I can install anytime I want. Yeah, so I wasn't gonna originally put this in because it's so tiny, it's useless, 120 gigs, but I thought might as well, because I'm not planning to buy a SSD anyway anytime soon. These 2.5-inch ones, because there's no good reliable ones at the moment that are good priced. The QVOs have been failing recently, the newer ones that they're bringing out. I don't know what it is it a bad batch or what? The crucial ones also same issue. I know there was a flood somewhere in Taiwan or whatever. There was a flood sometime, but oh, where did this come from? There was a flood, so a lot of hard drives have broken. Instead of fixing them, what they do is just send them out. Customer sends them back, and then they gets replaced with the RMA whatever shit, and that's how they get rid of them. Figure out which drives are broken and stuff. But then again, that's not a good idea, because all these people, if you bring your data onto the drive and stuff and it fails, you lost your data. You know what I mean? And they don't take responsibility for any of that stuff, so it's no good at all. Okay guys, so now go back to this video. Move these wires out the way. Okay, so because we're going to be installing the SSD, where's the SSD? Here. So the screws on the back, so we're going to have to take this plate off just to install it. So let's take this off. This good thing is it's very easy access. Literally unscrew by hand. Look, take the screw out by hand. It's just a pinch screw. Lift this up, and then here you go. Okay, which way do I want it? I want the wires down, so I'll put it up down this way. Okay, so here you go. You line this up, and then you put 4 screws in, and luckily MSI give me 17. 9 of them are used on the motherboard. That leaves an additional 8, which is enough for 2 hard drives. So obviously they give you 2 hard drive slots as well, the M.2 ones. So not M.2 SSD slots. So yeah, very nice of them. So let me go ahead and install this now. All I'm going to do is put these screws on. We'll be doing like magic, guys. Are you ready? Okay guys, the 4 screws are in now. Solid now, solid. Start moving about. Okay, and then I'm going to install this again. So all you do is, what the hell, all these wires are a mess. Bloody wires. Okay, so all you do is hook it into place. So there you go, hooked. Simple as that. Then you get that locking screw again, tighten it by hand, and that's done. That's your M.2 ready, guys. Now you just need to wire it up for you. So for that you need a SATA cable. Look at all this mess. Alright, let me get a SATA cable out. I knew I have one somewhere here. Here it is. And because I've not put the power supply in yet, I can't put the other cable in yet, so I'll do the power supply one later. So one cable will come from the power supply into this, and the other cable is the SATA cable that just goes in. I'll show you now. Okay guys, so this one will go in down here. Bloody hell, if I can even see. Okay, can I do this with one hand? Too many damn wires in the way. Excuse me sir, stay over there please. Thank you. You stay over here, you bastard. Okay, oh my god. Right, so here, let's have a look. So the short side's on this side. So you want to plug this in up here, this side facing forward. Where is the short side? Am I blind? I cannot see. I think it's this. Yeah, so you just push that in. There you go. Hard drive's plugged in. This one you put into the motherboard. I'll show you that. So on the motherboard, your SATA connections there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's another 2 hidden down on this side. Oh yeah, bloody hell, I'm dead. Okay. Yeah, you can wire this up from here through this grommet, through that grommet into these SATA ports. Bloody hell, that was a mistake. Alright guys, that's how you do the hard drive. That's one hard drive in. The next step I'm going to do is just plug everything in, I think, unless I find another hard drive to put in. Oh yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.